Hi there. So the lock I have today is an Ace 30mm laminated steel padlock. We can see it does work. We're going to single pin pick it open, then we'll rake it, and then I'll show you another way to get into this lock. Starting with top of the keyway tension with a 50 thousandths pry bar and a medium hook or short hook from Sparrows. Trying to find that last binding pin, and we got this open. Next way is we're going to rake this open using a nice wide wiper insert so I don't pinch in the keyway and the snake rake from Sparrows. And you can see that opened up pretty quickly. Now the next way is a lot of different padlocks are susceptible to this, including this one, this Brinks, which maybe I'll pick in a later video. But what it is it's bypassing with this. And you see me use these thin bypass knives and code locks to actuate the locking lug. It's the same concept here, except just a little bit different. What I do is you try both sides. I know that there's only one locking lug in this lock, and it's on the right side of the lock. I'm going to push the tool all the way in and pry it out of the way. Lift all the key pins up, out of the way, and try this way. And there we go. Do that again. And there we go. So we can see that this is an unshielded cord. And to show you how you can make one of these at home, this is a broken pick. But if you don't have a broken pick, I think we all do, you can make one out of a wiper insert just as easily. All the way to the back, down, and we're open. Just that easy. So, that being said, this is probably a lock you want to stay away from if you're locking up anything of any value. That's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching.